The other way to link AutoCAD to Revit is through a LINKo7 file format. This type of linking does not require a live connection or pairing any drawing with a Revit project file. The LINKo7 file can be opened by any AutoCAD or Revit user in your organization. You can export to a native Revit element or as a 3D solid mesh geometry. If you export to a Revit element, this AutoCAD entity must be mapped to a Revit element during the import process in Revit. Native AutoCAD entities such as lines, polyline, circles, or 3D solids need not to be mapped since Revit also has these primitive entities. Typical AutoCAD entities that need to be mapped to a Revit element are plant 3D piping components or structural steel members. Revit elements modeled in AutoCAD are automatically modeled in Revit if exported from AutoCAD since they were already generated in Revit and their information are stored as they are exported from Revit to AutoCAD.